Hi friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to solve an error. I will show you the error. First, let me open this new query and I am going to select this test database. First I will show you what is the Microsoft SQL Server version installed on my system. Command for that is select at version. Execute. Microsoft SQL Server 2008 R2 SP2. That's my Microsoft SQL Server version. Now I have databases. Here I have test database. So I want to create a table in my test database. So first let me switch to master to test database. Look at here. I got the error. The database test is not accessible. Let us copy the message. Click OK. Let us remove this one and paste it here. Look at here. Title Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. The database test is not accessible. Buttons. OK. So I could solve this error by two methods. Maybe there are a lot of methods. I will explain two methods with you. First one is whenever you try to access a database from SQL Server Management Studio in SQL Server, then you have to open this Management Studio. That means SQL Server Management Studio you have to open by right clicking and it select Run as Administrator. You have to open this SQL Server Management Studio as an administrator. You have to do it if you are in another user, not administrator. When you log into this system, if you are logged in as a user which is not an administrator, so you have to open Management Studio, SQL Server Management Studio as an administrator. To open SQL Server Management Studio as an administrator, just right click the SQL Server Management Studio and choose Run as Administrator. Otherwise, you have to log into the system as an administrator. For me, I am not logged in as an administrator. I am logged in as another user. So that user don't have administrative privilege. So I have to do what I have to do. I have to open SQL Server Management Studio as an administrator by right clicking SQL Server Management Studio and choose Run as Administrator. So after that, that error will go. I hope this error you can solve by applying these two options, any of two options. First option, whenever you switch on the system, you have to log in as administrator user. If you have more than one user, that means more than administrator, try to log in as administrator and use SQL Server Management Studio. Otherwise, if you are logged in as another user other than administrator, right click the SQL Server Management Studio and choose Run as Administrator option. Then you will not get this error like when I choose the test, the database test is not accessible. I hope the problem is you can solve this problem by applying these methods. Thank you.